大家好 ，Welcome back to Knowing Chinese. I'm Mia. 今天我们来学秋天的词语。Today, let's learn words about autumn. First word, 凉 凉 So you might know the word 冷 which means cold. 凉 is a bit warmer than 冷 So we use this word a lot in 秋天 So I can say 今天天气有一点凉今天天气有一点凉 So 凉 is a very useful word to describe 秋天 One more word about temperature 降温降温 温 from the word 温度 which means temperature itself 降 is a verb 降 means to decrease, to fall, like the temperature drops. We say 降温 It's a bit formal. You may hear it sometimes in weather forecasts, but in daily life, people say it a lot too. So instead of saying something 天气变冷了 which literally means the weather becomes colder, we will say 降温 For example, 明天会降温明天会降温 Tomorrow, the temperature will drop. It's getting colder. 明天会降温 So what would you wear in this kind of weather? A word might be very handy. We say 长袖长袖长 is an adjective, long 袖 from the word 袖子 which means sleeve. So 长袖 together, long sleeve. So it means long sleeved tops, long sleeved clothes in general. By changing the adjective to 短 which means short, we'll have another word 短袖短袖 short sleeved t-shirts or shirts or tops. So we use 长袖短袖 in summer autumn season change period a lot. For example, 明天会降温别穿短袖了穿长袖吧明天会降温别穿短袖了穿长袖吧 Tomorrow, the temperature will drop. Don't wear your short sleeve clothes anymore and put on some long sleeve jackets, for example. As the temperature changes, leaves also turn colors. So turn in Chinese we say 变变 Turn yellow 变黄变黄 Turn red 变红变红 For example, these ones 那些叶子变红了 or 这片叶子变黄了这片叶子变黄了 A single leaf, the measure word will be 片片 Alright, let's go back to the first word we learned today. Still remember? Yep, that's 凉 Let's learn one more word with 凉着凉着凉 To catch a cold 昨天降温了我没有穿长袖所以着凉了 Thanks for watching today's episode and I'd better hurry home otherwise I might 着凉 Leave a comment below and let me know about the weather of 秋天 at your place now. By the way, in Nantong, right now, for the evening, it's around 20 degrees, but feels a bit chilly with the autumn wind and stuff. If you're first time here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have time, why not check out another video of mine and learn Chinese with me. This is Now in Chinese. I'm Mia. Bye bye.